Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast for beginners. Today, we are going to talk about food and restaurants. Food is very important. We eat food every day. Food gives us energy. Food helps us to be strong and healthy. Do you like food? I love food. Food vocabulary. Let's start with some food words. Repeat after me. Bread, rice, chicken, fish, vegetables, fruits, soup, salad, meat, water, juice, milk, egg, cheese, butter, cake, ice cream, coffee, tea. Good job! Now, let's say the words in sentences. I eat bread every day. I like rice and chicken. I drink water and juice. Eggs and cheese are tasty. I love cake and ice cream. Meals of the day. We have three main meals: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast is the first meal. It is in the morning. I eat bread and milk for breakfast. Sometimes I eat eggs and butter. Lunch is the second meal. It is in the afternoon. I like to eat rice, chicken, and vegetables for lunch. Dinner is the last meal. It is in the evening. I usually eat soup and bread for dinner. Going to a restaurant. A restaurant is a place where you can buy and eat food. When you go to a restaurant, you get a menu. The menu shows the food you can order. Look at the menu. What do you want? You can say, "Can I have the chicken, please?" "I want the fish." "Do you have soup?" "Can I have water, please?" "I want juice, please." Dialogue in a restaurant. Waiter: "Hello? Welcome to the restaurant. Can I help you?" Customer: "Yes, please. I want to order food." Waiter: "What do you want?" Customer: "I want chicken and rice." Waiter: "Do you want soup or salad?" Customer: "I want soup, please." Waiter: "Okay, your food will be ready soon." Describing food can be delicious: hot, cold, sweet, sour, salty, or spicy. For example, the soup is hot and delicious. The salad is fresh and sweet. The chicken is spicy. Do you like spicy food? Drinks. Common drinks are water, juice, tea, coffee, and milk. You can say, "I want water, please." "Can I have juice?" "I like tea." Story. Anna's visit to a restaurant. Anna was hungry. She went to a restaurant. She sat at a table. A waiter came to her. The waiter gave Anna a menu. Anna looked at the menu. She said, "I want chicken and rice." The waiter asked, "Do you want soup or salad?" Anna said, "I want soup, please." The waiter said, "Okay, your food will be ready soon." Anna waited and talked to her friend. After a few minutes, the waiter brought the food. Anna ate the food. It was delicious. She said, "Thank you." Anna was happy. Polite words. Use polite words. Please, thank you, excuse me, and sorry. For example, "Can I have the menu, please?" "Thank you for the food." "Excuse me, where is the bathroom?" "Sorry, I don't understand." Likes and dislikes. You can say, "I like chicken." "I don't like fish." "I love vegetables." "I don't like spicy food." More food. Vocabulary. Egg, cheese, butter, cake, ice cream, coffee, tea. Repeat after me. Egg, cheese, butter, cake, ice cream, coffee, tea. Quiz time. What do you say if you want chicken? A. I want chicken, please. B. I don't like chicken. C. I want fish. Answer. A. I want chicken, please. What do you say if the food is very tasty? A. The food is cold. B. The food is delicious. C. The food is salty. Answer. B. The food is delicious. Tips for eating in a restaurant. Say please and thank you. Be polite to the waiter. Look at the menu before you order. Ask questions if you don't understand. Today, we learned about food and restaurants. We learned food words, meals, how to order food, polite words, and food descriptions. We practiced conversations and a story about eating at a restaurant. Thank you for listening to our podcast. See you next time. Thank you very much for listening to today's episode about food and restaurants. I hope you learned many new words and phrases. Practice speaking and listening every day. Don't forget to use polite words like please and thank you. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye. Take care.